Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome to our Friday Facebook Live. I'm Dr. Greer if you haven't met me, and we do this every week. So we ask for questions every Wednesday and Thursday, and we've got some viewer questions to answer today. The first question is, what's the difference between a hydrafacial and microneedling, and what kind of results can you expect to see? So hydrafacial we do not actually perform in my office, but I know a little bit about it. It's basically like a power washing of the skin. There's some exfoliation, some suction, and flushing through with fluids that maybe contain hydroquinone for lightening brown spots or hyaluronic acid for extra moisture. The process is sort of similar to dermasweep, which we do have here, and that is basically exfoliation and suction followed by infusing that fluid. So with both treatments, they're really a great maintenance treatment. They're gonna make your skin feel softer and smoother. They're gonna get rid of dry skin. They'll help unclog your pores, and with that, you'll get a little bit smaller appearance of pores, so they'll make them look smaller. And over time, they can kind of help soften fine lines and brown spots, but it's not anything dramatic. They're a nice treatment. I get a dermasweep fairly frequently, but it's not gonna be anything revolutionary like a chemical peel. So that's hydrafacial. Microneedling is actually totally different. It uses very small needles to puncture the skin. It's similar in process to a profractional or fractionated laser treatment. The idea is that damage to the deeper collagen layers of the skin stimulates collagen formation, and that is what gives skin its elasticity. So microneedling is used for fine lines, it's used for acne scars, and it's very effective. So basically two totally different treatments with different results. Microneedling, you do have some downtime. I mean, it's literally poking holes in your skin, so there's a little blood, but very doable. And with the dermasweep, that's just like a really in-depth facial, so no downtime with that at all. So that was question one. Question two asks about lip fillers. Are there different types? What kinds of things can you achieve with lip fillers? So lip fillers do come in several different brands: Restylane, Juvederm, Belotero. The one thing they have in common is that all fillers used in the lips tend to be hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a clear, smooth gel. It's basically what lubricates your joints, actually. So orthopedic surgeons actually do inject it into the knee joint to help with pain and help condition the joint. And it draws water to it. That means it's hydrophilic. So you'll get a little bit of extra plumping from injecting the filler. The fillers used in the lips tend to be a little bit thinner and more pliable than other formulations. So although there are dozens of kinds of fillers used in the lips, they're generally all hyaluronic acid. I don't ever recommend using a permanent filler in the lips. It can lump and form problems. And definitely no off-label uses of permanent fillers. So if it's in the lips, you want to stick with your hyaluronic acid. So what can a lip filler achieve? Lip fillers can make your lips a little bit larger. If you don't have full lips though, if you have naturally very thin lips, lip fillers are not going to make them full. For that, you actually need to lift the upper lip. It's called a lip shortening procedure. And by that, you're just turning out a little bit more of the pink lip. Lip fillers are fantastic though if you're aging and you notice your lips have kind of thinned out with age, because if you had a nice shape and a nice full lip when you were younger, you can get that back with lip fillers. They're injected directly into the red part of the lip. I will inject them above the lip as well for fine lines and wrinkles. We use a topical numbing cream in my office so that it's comfortable. We also do a little cold spray on the skin right beforehand. So yeah, it's pinchy, but it's very, very doable. The lip fillers last about 6 to 9 months. You will have some swelling the next day. It varies from person to person, so I wouldn't plan anything big the day after lip filler because they can get pretty puffy. The good news is it goes down by the day after that. So 2 days post lip filler, you're generally looking fine. You can have some bruising though. Concealer's fine, but be aware if you've got a special event coming up. Lip fillers tend to come in a 1 milliliter syringe size. We sell that for $600. That's pretty comparable to other offices in the area. And in terms of making an appointment, if you're a new patient, we can generally evaluate you, assess your goals, and do the treatment in the same day. And my office does offer walk-in hours every Friday from noon to 3. We do ask that you call ahead of time though, because sometimes I'm pulled away to emergencies or stuck in the OR. So if you're interested in our Friday walk-in hours, you can call us at 974-8577. That's 440-974-8577 in order to check and make sure we're there. We are 9 times out of 10. So those are our viewer questions for the day. I do have a request for you guys. The Lake County News Herald Best of the Best voting starts on Sunday, and there are a ton of different categories. It's sort of weird to me because this existed when I moved here, and there's like dog groomer, daycare, Chinese food, doctor, and plastic surgeon. Not like general surgeon, nothing else there, medical. There's, I think, dentist and chiropractor. So anyway, we would love for you guys to vote for us. I made a very easy, memorable link, www.jennifergreermd.com/vote. Now, you do have to vote in 10 categories, and I realize that's kind of a hassle. So we're doing a giveaway. If you vote, you will be entered to win some fantastic prizes. The more votes you have, the more you'll move up in terms of what prizes we have. So it ranges from an aroma touch massage, one vote will get you entered to win that, all the way up to a laser hair removal package. And you do have to vote several times for that because it's a daily voting. So we definitely wanted to incentivize you guys. And again, you can check out the full contest rules and enter starting on Sunday. It's jennifergreermd.com/vote. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next Friday.